Hello, I'm Daniel from Blue White, and in this video I'll review the dispensing input for our S-Series chemical metering pumps. Dispensing allows you to dispense a set amount of fluid at a set rate for one cycle. To enable dispensing, open the app drawer, select Dispensing, select Settings to configure dispense settings. Select a profile to program. There are 4 profiles available. Input name of custom profile if desired. Set the amount per dispense and set the output. Dispense runtime will be displayed. Confirm by pressing Save. Profile name will be displayed on screen. Note, if your dispense runtime is shorter than 1 second, the pump will generate a runtime too short error. Please reconfigure dispensing settings to be greater than 1 second. Note, dispensing will not operate in remote-only mode. Thank you for watching this episode of the Blue White Academy. For further questions or assistance, please reach out to us at customerservice@blue-white.com. And for more information, please visit blue-white.com.